Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create and send an invoice using Wise Business. First, open your web browser or the Wise app and log in to your Wise Business account. Once you are on the home screen, look for the option called Payments or Request. Click on it to continue. Next, find the Invoices option. Click on Invoices, then select Create an Invoice. This will open a new invoice page where you can enter all the required information. Start with the recipient details. Enter your client's name, address, and email address. Make sure the email is correct because this is where the invoice will be sent. Now move to the invoice details section. Enter a unique invoice number so you can track it later. Choose the issue date, which is usually today's date. Then set a due date to let your client know when the payment is expected. After that, add the invoice items. List each service or product you are charging for. Write a short description for each item. Enter the rate and quantity if needed. If tax applies, add the tax amount so the total is correct. Next, choose the currency you want to be paid in. Wise allows you to select from many different currencies, which is helpful if you work with international clients. Once everything is filled in, take a moment to preview the invoice. Check all details carefully. If everything looks good, click on Create and Send Invoice. Wise will email the invoice directly to your client with a payment link. After sending, you can track the invoice status in the Invoices section. You will see if it is unpaid, paid, or overdue. Thanks for watching.